Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about these audio posts. And if you've been following our channel, you would know that this channel is completely about tech. I mean unboxing, reviewing, and just talking about general tech. So yeah, let's get into the video and talk if you, about these devices. So if you've seen these small wires, you might wonder what are these for. You can see both of these audio devices and say I have only one 3.5mm jack on my headphone. Why would I need two of these? Well, they've got a purpose. So let me explain in this video. And I'm just gonna say that these are not for your mobile devices. It's for a PC or laptop. So let me explain. So in laptops, they have a line in for mic and a line out for headphones or sound just exiting the PC. So what happens is you have a line in for mic and a line out for your speakers. So which makes it easy for modern day headphones that you can just plug in. And well, so the use of these is basically using a multi-purpose headset with headphones and mic at the same time with two ports. So you just connect these in the right port and you connect your multi-purpose headset, and you can use your mic and your headset at the same time. So that's what these are for. And you can see one of them are 2.5mm and the other one is 3.5. So you also get different variants of the same thing. And make sure before you connect you verify the color, because there's a different color for microphone and different color for the voice out, I mean the sound out. So make sure you connect them properly, because on your PC it'll be indicated exactly how to do it. And that's gotta be it for the function of these small wires that I have in front of me. So thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Just before leaving, I wanted to mention that these products mentioned in this video aren't sponsored, so I just bought them because I wanted to review them and talk about them. It's not that a particular company just sponsored me, so I'm doing the video. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Peace.